Alright, so got a dab going today. Haven't had one of those in a while. This is Jungle Lava from Midwest Extracts. I don't know how big of a dab that was. Could have been like, I don't know, fat dab though. Took it down pretty smooth. Tastes good. Cough twice. Y'all are always wanting to see my reaction afterwards. That's pretty much usually all it is. And then give you guys a little bit more time to see that I don't have to cough too much. And then my fucking stoned ass eyes. There you guys go. Have a nice one.